And we're back with another episode of Pure Perspectives. And once again, I'm joined by the fellas. How we doing, Willis? How we doing, Gary?
Doing pretty good.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Another
Here
day
we
in
are.
paradise.
Friday in
Another day.
America.
Friday. End of the week.
And we're still in the mortgage business.
Still.
Still.
Still here. Still grinding.
Yeah.
It's been a bumpy week.
Yeah. It's crazy how this industry, looking back to 2005, like that, I'm not even going to say road bumps, but some of the just craziness that's happened, and it just continues the volatility. Like I'll give it to loan officers and real estate, anybody in real estate, right? Title, everybody across the board. It is the volatility, especially the last 4 years, like to the hard side of things. Obviously we came out of 2 or 3 years of a whole different level of craziness with the refi boom, but gosh darn, like it is this inflation deal. It will not go away.
I mean, imagine coming into the business right now, either one, lending or real estate. You'd be like, what have I done?
Anybody I talk to, like, I'm the worst sales guy for somebody wanting to be a mortgage person right now. Like, I paint the worst picture because, like, the reality is like, it's not easy. Like, it's not easy to be a title.
No,
it's not easy to be a real estate agent, and it's sure the heck not easy to be a mortgage guy. Like,
no, especially starting from ground zero right now. It's like, who are you going to talk to?
Yeah.
Like,
like Dalton,
get out there and do all the right things and not see a penny for it. It's crazy.
It's nuts. It's nuts. So what are you seeing, Willis? What's the word on the street?
I'll talk to a bunch of realtors and they're just saying their phones aren't ringing.
Really?
No one's really looking right now. I had 2 offers go in this week and they didn't get accepted.
So multiple
or couldn't
offers.
come to agree. The what?
Was it multiple offers?
No, not multiple offers, but one of them, they're going back and forth and they're negotiating still.
Okay.
And then the other one, it was solar panels, and on $190,000 purchase price, they wanted the buyer to assume a $40,000 loan for the solar panels on the house. I was like, what? So the agent pulled it.
It's our gift to you.
Yeah, that's our gift to you. Here, solar, the gift that keeps on giving.
Let us tack on 20. What's that, 20%?
Yeah, probably.
Good gracious.
Yeah, 20%. So a little more. But yeah, it was, so that's the kind of things, even when people are making offers right now, and you would think like the house that they're negotiating on, like they've been going back and forth for a week because there's no one else making offers, but they apparently have a number that they have to walk away from. And that's a big part right now. Sellers are like, well, I can come down a little or negotiate a little, but I'm trying to get out of this payment and try to pay off debt and downsize or whatever they're trying to do. And so they have a goal that they have to do too. So,
right.
Yeah. So it is pretty rough. It has been, I'll say I've gotten a lot more applications the last 2 weeks, but no contracts, just kind of sitting there like,
we put in a pretty good handful this week. So like that was
we
good.
did. Yeah. As a team,
like,
just
not
me.
doom and gloom.
No, I mean, the activity is like still high. It's just,
we had
like,
6
these
new deals come in this week.
These poor people that are like at 7 and an 8 thinking like, oh, well, we'll just refi in 2026 and we'll get down into like the low 5s. Like, yeah.
Or
I can
the
tell
ones,
you to take that off your bingo card now. That's okay.
That's not there. It was
just
there
erase the
2.
26 and put maybe 27, maybe 28.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are they saying, Gary? 28?
Yeah. I don't even think. Look, I don't think there's a prediction that holds any water because the macroeconomic conditions are changing so fast. Like that's why we're at where we're at today. I mean, we're at 474 in the 10-year today. The last time we were there was 1st of 25, but that's all inflation driven, Iran oil, right? Like it's not gonna, I think, without getting into the whole geopolitical nightmare that we're in, like that doesn't resolve itself easily. And I think it's playing into the hands of Iran, and they're just nickel diming us, and it's like
Mhm.
death by a thousand cuts, in my opinion.
Yes. Yeah.
But it is what it is. You always say it, Willis. You got to sell what's in front of you.
Yeah.
Amen.
You sell
Can't
the
worry
rate
about
that's in front
five.
of you. I can't change it.
Nope.
I love
The
it when
wheels
somebody's
got to
like,
keep turning.
well, I want a 5% interest rate. I'm like, well, a lot
We
of
can get you
people do.
five. We can get you 5 + 1.5.
Yeah,
How does that sound?
exactly.
Good deal.
We're
Sign me up.
bringing out deals all the time.
We're going to break it into 2 interest rates.
Yeah. Well, and I'll say that's one thing. Yes, we have to sell the rates that's in front of us. So, we watch the market to make sure somebody when, is that's floating isn't going to get completely hosed
Yeah, I hope nobody floated anything into today,
to
Willis.
no,
Trying to get an
well,
agreement in.
one of them I do. I have one that's like way out in October that's closing. So it's
Oh, well,
still
that doesn't
that could
matter.
change and everything else between now
Mm,
and then. But yeah, you called it Wednesday. You were like, if anything's floating, y'all better lock, and jumped in there and got it locked. And then yeah, that rate's
yeah,
probably a quarter higher today.
yeah.
So
Kevin Warsh, second Fed meeting as chairman, held rates steady.
I mean, he, as doom and gloom as we might feel about it, he had a lot of positive things to say too about the economy, and it's it really, without like just pointing fingers at the Iran problem, it's like, look, you're like that. We're now feeling the full blunt hit of this, inflation of oil prices, and everything's going
Yeah,
up.
this is no different. That's the same story as 3 years ago when inflation spiked, rates shot up. It's the same deal right now. Like
yeah.
mortgage rates are just running right with inflation, and I mean it is, but that's where strategy comes in, right? Like we talked about it this week as a team, like in terms of building wealth and using your equity. Whatever your opinion is, it doesn't matter. It's the individual situation, and whether somebody is using equity to pay down crazy credit card debt, or they're using it
Mhm.
to buy an investment property, or they're putting in a pool. Like it's not like this blanket statement of, hey, you got to get a cash out, or you need to take a HELOC out. It's just the individual deal. It's no different than making an investment in your personal, retirement fund, right? Like this is just one of those, we talk about the wealth side of it. This is just one of those levers that people have to use their equity, right? Because if not, it just sits there, which is fine too. Like, if you don't want the debt, don't take the debt. Like, just go do whatever you do. But there are people out there that want to use that, exercise that equity, and make deals happen. I mean, we closed a couple HELOCs this week, and so I mean, things are. Yeah, we would obviously want it to be blown and going and that sort of thing, but, you know,
I
it
mean,
is what it is.
on the HELOC side, I would say customers are ecstatic, right?
Mhm.
Like
Mhm.
their borrowing power
Yeah.
is more than they thought. I think the process for accessing the product is super slick and clean.
Yeah.
Rates are pretty darn impressive given where we
Mhm.
are. Like
Yeah.
it's pretty
Yeah.
appetizing to take that money.
Yeah, the only risk we got there is if Fed bumps rates next meeting, which isn't till September. But as I mentioned to you, Clark, earlier today, there's the market's pricing in about almost 67% chance of a rate hike next meeting, which is 45 days away. A lot can happen, as we've seen, right? Like, so, but yeah.
Yeah, it's people seem very, very happy with that process experience and the ability to get on. I mean, we're getting referrals from financial planners that are
Mhm.
saying, "Hey,
Yeah.
this is the right move to do for your situation," and it's easy to plug into what those financial planners are stating, right? It's like this
Oh,
Yeah.
is
yeah.
this is the option, this is the flexibility you have, this is the amount of cash you're going to get your hands on, and away you
Sure.
go. So it's pretty
Yep.
slick.
Yep, I get it. Willis, you went to a deal last night. What was that? The new that CRM
Yeah.
tool for realtors? Tell us
Yeah,
about
it's a
that.
CRM tool that it was developed by a realtor,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a CRM tool. It's a loan, or I mean, not loan assistant, but an assistant for the loan. It shows all the dates that are going to be happening and everything else. I think it even has an AI component now to where they didn't talk about a lot about it. It's just kind of from following them on Instagram that I knew anything about it. But yeah, it's a really slick tool. It was a really great party that they threw. So
What's it called?
the what?
What's it called?
Real time.
Real time.
Thank
you.
Yeah.
And we
Yeah.
got that response in real time.
In real time.
Yes, you did.
Yes, I
In
see
real
what
time.
you did there, Clark.
Yeah, I see.
You know.
He was just setting the table.
Setting the
He knew you
table.
were
Setting the
gonna
table up. Yeah. So yeah, I'm glad
He's
you
like,
asked.
don't
No,
ask, don't ask.
don't ask. Don't
Shoot.
ask. I'm like, wait, what? I don't have Instagram to pull it up real quick. No, it's real time. So yeah, it seems like it's pretty slick. It's female owned and led.
Mm-hmm.
So the developer and the CEO, and then I think her title is a COO, are all females, and so they just come at it from the standpoint of a realtor because that's what they knew beforehand. So it's a really cool deal. So
Yeah.
Well, I can tell you, for what our experience has been with testing out CRMs, if you come at it from the business
I'm going to
side,
sign up for it.
if you come at it from the business side with the business knowledge, and then have the engineers build what the business process is, you're going to be ahead of most, because there's this one size fit all mentality in that space.
oh, how I got everyone again.
New CRM in the realty space. Good to hear. Good to hear.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's the
Give
market.
us your
We got
thoughts.
that.
Give us your thoughts on CRMs, Clark.
Yeah. I had hair before I got into the CRM admin game, and here we are today.
Right there.
It gone. It gone. What else? What else we want to touch on? We talked about the market. No, Fed meetings this September, you said, Gary?
16th, next one. 67% chance of a Fed rate hike. So if you are thinking about HELOC, that will increase that HELOC rate by a quarter point. So if at today you're at 6.5, it'll be 6.75 on September 17th. So those rates do align with the Fed funding rate to an extent.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But we can always look at a home equity loan, fixed,
yeah,
cash
the
out.
loans are good too.
Yep.
Yeah. You said there's a new closed-in second that we're working on?
Not a new one. Apparently,
Yeah.
Luke and those guys have one. We just haven't really priced it. Supposedly priced pretty good. So we'll take a look at it. But yeah, I mean, it's, if you're just looking for the lump sum, and it makes sense, it's an option.
It would sure be
this
nice
HELOC
to have
product. I love the HELOC stuff.
Yeah, it would be great to have a close-in second process like the HELOC one, because it's just
supposedly pretty close.
Similar.
It's a little bit more. Not as much heavy lifting on our side.
Yep.
So, but I haven't done one, so I don't know.
Yeah, and our HELOC product is only a soft credit check. You get in, you provide a few pieces of information, and man, it takes off and it gives you everything you need to know. It's a pretty slick process. So very easy to do, even if you're just curious of what you might be able to access. There's no harm to your credit. Give it a go.
Yeah.
What's interesting too is I don't know, three calls this week for legit farm and ranch deals.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Nothing imminent, but probably more
activity.
Weeks. Yeah. So that's good.
Well, all right,
Working
boys.
on
Well, listen, always a pleasure catching up. We'll do this again
Friday.
soon.
Yep.
Friday in America. Mind, give us a like, give us a subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave us a comment. If there's anything you want us to talk about, throw it in there. We'd love to hear the comments. Some of the comments are purely fabulous. So thanks for everybody taking the time and sharing your thoughts about the three of us. And we will be back soon with another episode of Pure Perspectives. We'll continue to push out product related stuff. Probably need to get a HELOC one out there now we've been talking about it.
Yeah.
So be on the lookout from that. And guys, we'll have a great weekend. We'll see you next week.
See ya.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.